we like to play tennis at least a couple times a week. That's so much fun. It's like one of my favorite things to do. I go to the gym every day. We try to eat healthy. It's not always easy because there's a lot of good restaurants around here, so that makes it difficult at times. And when you come home from work, you don't always feel like cooking, but we try really hard.
I'm learning that it's important that we take care of each other, not only in life, but even after.
Yeah. Even when we take vacations, we really like to take active vacations. So we always like to be moving around and doing something because a lot of times our jobs can be sedentary. So it's really important to, you know, just keep on moving whenever we can. My mom was very young. She was 57 actually when she passed away. She died of cancer, and she was diagnosed probably in her late 40s. Now that I'm getting closer to that age that my mother was, it's making me really think about, oh my goodness, what's happening down the line for me. And then my father passed from multiple sclerosis, which was really bizarre, and that really came out of nowhere. So that's always in the back of my mind as well, and how that really can change up the family dynamic when something like that happens to your family. You could try to eat right, you could try to stay really healthy, but there's so many other factors that come into play. It really is hard to be prepared for the so many different scenarios of life. I realize that we need to start thinking about life insurance and our future and start preparing.
When it comes to life, you never know what it may serve up, so having a financial game plan is critical.
Usually, you know, when you have a job and you're working for a company, they throw in life insurance as part of your benefits, but we don't even know what that is. I don't think we even know what our benefits are through work.
Time to get your game face on, Diane and Jim, and learn why life insurance can provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones. No umpire needed. Jill Magruder from Western and Southern Financial Group is here to help.
So the purpose of life insurance really is to eliminate the worries of your financial future. Tell me how you feel about life insurance.
Well, to be honest with you, it makes me a little bit uncomfortable.
Well, you may be relieved to know you are not alone. And where life insurance comes into play with that is, life insurance is a foundational element of any financial plan because it helps eliminate many of the worries that couples like you contemplate when you say, how should we plan for our financial future?
Part of the benefits that I know that I get life insurance, but I have no idea what life insurance I'm actually getting.
The two basic kinds of life insurance are term insurance and permanent insurance, and I compare those to renting. Term insurance is like renting an apartment. Permanent insurance is like buying a house. In permanent insurance, you build cash value, you build a value in the policy, and in term insurance, you're just paying for a death benefit in the event you die unexpectedly.
Every time I've heard about life insurance, I always thought it was something that was very costly.
Life insurance costs less than you might think.
And I think you would be surprised at the affordability of life insurance, given your age, given your healthy lifestyle, and again, the type of coverage you might want at this point in your life.
Now, where can we learn more about the two different policies?
So there are many places you can go to learn about life insurance. This day and age, where's everybody start? They start online. But beyond that, if you need a more personal touch, there are many registered and licensed financial services representatives out there with reputable firms who can really explore more deeply your personal financial situation and your needs and help you put together that baseline plan.
There is no better time than now to take care of this, because you never know what's going to happen.
Life insurance made simple. With the right information, choices may be easier.
You know, there's so many companies out there. How do we know which one's the right one to choose?
Well, I'm a little biased. I would say my company, first and foremost, the Western Southern Financial Group. We've been in business 130 years, and over those 130 years, we've been able to provide for the financial future of millions of Americans. But there are ways when the time is right for you to buy life insurance that you can really explore the financial strength of that company, its stability, how long it's been in business, and that's through ratings. There are independent rating agencies, and they assign the ratings to insurance companies, so you can glean really great information from that rating agency information to help you feel like you are choosing the right company. The end game for the company and our clients is to provide a secure financial future rooted in life insurance, but also addressing some of their other needs. because we are here to help them ace the game, set, and match of life.
Before meeting Jill, I really didn't have any idea of what we needed to do for life insurance. But you know, after meeting with her and realizing that you know, she's a great resource, and her company,
Yeah.
I mean, we can find out a lot of information about life insurance and the way to go.
So which one of you has the better serve?
He does. Definitely he does.
So remember, don't wait. The time is now. Don't be intimidated. Learn all you can. Pick a reputable company and enjoy life. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.